Hello, and welcome to our website for our Global Learning Project. The topic that our website will be about is different cultural learning styles. To start off, what is learning styles and what influences it? There are many things that can influence students' learning styles, such as the learning environment the students grew up in and their cultural background along with their life experiences. This can be compared to an onion with how complex the structure of learning styles is and the different layers of influences there are that can affect how students learn. Research has found that students tend to do better if taught in their learning styles. This website would take the research on learning styles a step further and focus on cultural learning styles. Cultural learning styles is the idea that some cultures may have preferences of learning styles that they tend to gear towards. This doesn't mean that everyone in that culture will share the same learning style, but it does mean that the culture may overall as a group have stronger preferences towards a certain cultural learning styles. This idea of cultural learning styles is especially applicable in very ethnically diverse countries such as the United States and for English as a second language teachers who will be engaging much of this population. The implication that this has on teachers is the need to think of the classroom as a salad bowl instead of a melting pot. This means teachers should affirm the uniqueness, individuality, and cultures of their students. Teachers should expose their students to a variety of learning instructions because it is inclusive and also stretches their student. Some things for teachers to be cautious about, though, is to not make assumptions or generalizations about students' learning styles based on their culture because it could lead to stereotyping. This is why it is important for teachers to get to know their students individually and to teach with a culturally responsive approach. So now let's take a tour through our website. This is our home page, and over here it has our statement about why we chose this topic and why we thought that it would be important, especially why significant for teachers to understand what this topic is and to be aware of it. And then on the bottom we have more information about what learning styles is and what cultural learning style is and the differences between that. And then on our next page, we came up with 4 classroom activities that are geared towards senior primary classes, especially for English language classes. And a lot of the activities that we came up are centered around teaching culture and how to engage the students in ways that would be interesting, such as talking about food and about animals and about things relating to cultures. And then on our next page, we have our findings listed out about what kind of problems would arise if teachers are not aware of this, and about tips that I already kind of talked about, and about the implications that this have for teachers and for students of color. And then on this page, we have our infographic, and it's towards this side. And we have information about the different kind of learning styles that ethnic minorities in the United States may prefer. And a lot of the information were already informations that I just went over. So on this page, cross-cultural comparison, we did a comparison between Hong Kong and the United States' education system because this was a joint project between Hong Kong students and American students. And we interview each other, and we also wrote about our understanding of cultural learning styles before and after the research that we did. And then we also have our cited sources. And on our last page, we have information about the group members who participated and people that were on our team. We had 3 from America and 2 from Hong Kong. So I hope that you will enjoy this website and that you will gain a lot of knowledge from it because we did work very hard on it, and it is very important. We think that it's very important for teachers to be aware of this topic.